Okay, all right. Here in this video, I'll discuss five major mistakes killing your HVAC landing page conversion. So in this video, I'll share what's the main problem to your landing page, and with our confusing headline and missing or hard find call to action and look a visual trust or social proof and long and complicated lead forms. And the final thing is poor mobile optimized and slow landing speed. Okay, so at first I will describe a weak or confusing headline. Okay, so here I find out some landing page like this landing page, and just a minute. Okay, look, here is a one landing page for HVAC company, and here I see in this landing page hero sections there are no clarification in which service are you providing in the services. Okay, and when customers are finding in your services, here customers are not understand the features and benefits of the services. Okay, so if you fix this issue, then definitely use a clear benefit driver driven headline. For example, so 24 by 7 emergency AC repair and fast reliable services in your city with no hidden fees. Okay, like this need fast dependable AC plumbing or electrical repairs. Here when a customer search the HVAC services in Dallas, then customers are easily understand here which services are the providing in this landing page. Okay, so the second thing is missing or hard to find a call to action. Okay, so HVAC customers usually want to do one of two things: call immediately, book an appointment, and major mistakes in heading to phone. Okay, so when a HVAC landing page fill up this fill up this point, then customers easily convert their landing page like this. Here I will see, here I see with this is a emergency phone number, and customers will easily contact their services. And okay, so and here is a like CTA book now, and here any customers are phone call for their services. Okay, so in the like this, and the fix put a large click to call phone numbers and prominent book appointment book appointment, and repeat it throughout the page, make it sticky on mobile, like this sticky on mobile. Okay, and when I okay, and the third thing is lack of visual trust on social proof. Social proof is the most important for for local services business, because when the customers are searching the HVAC services on Google, then when they put on landing page, and here when the customers are proof social proof, then they easily trust these services. Okay, like this. Here are many review and testimonial for their landing page. Okay, and customers are um, easily trust these services. Okay, and how you can fix and replace stock photos with real pictures of your teams when it's a local like this, and display best like Google 5 star rated, and like this 5 star rated best. Okay, and along with 2 to 3 text or video testimonial, like 2 to 3 video testimonial. Here this landing page there is a video testimonial. Okay, and the fourth thing is long and complicated lead forms. If a customers want to book a repair, they don't want to fill out a 10 field form asking for their life history. Okay, long term skill conversion rates, especially on mobile. Okay, like this: first name, last name, email, phone, services needed, and how can we help? Okay, so this is a huge huge form fill up. Okay, but if we sum this issue fix, then easily keep the form short, only ask for name, phone number, email, and zip code. Okay, like this: phone number, first name, last name, phone number, and zip code. And customers are usually form this the name, email, phone number, address, and this. Okay, and the number five major problem is for mobile optimization and slow landing page. Okay, over 70% emergency HVAC services happen on mobile devices. If the landing pages takes more than 3 seconds to load, or if the text is too small, read phone, you are wasting your ad budget. Uh, when is okay, okay. And here I make a screenshot like these services speed is 7.6 seconds. This is a very this is a very long time speed. Okay, so if your when how can we fix like test the page on mobile device, ensure all buttons are easily to click with the term text is large and the page flow instantly. Okay. Okay. And if your HB services landing page has these three issues, you are losing money every day. If you want to feel landing page audit for your business, drop your link the comments or send me direct message, and I will help you optimize or maximize it. Okay, thank you so much.